Today we're checking out a window restoration on this project. We're going to see how they take out the old sash, upgrade the weather stripping, and reinstall the windows. Boy, the performance difference is amazing. Come on, check it out. So this morning when we got here, they were taking out the window sash. And the whole process starts with removing the stops. The first step is for window expert Ghazi Jendoubi to remove the sash for upgrades. The inner stops are held with wood screws. He removes the screws and pulls the window stops from the frame. Then he removes the sash cords from the sash and lets the weights fall to the bottom of the pockets. Next, he removes the parting stop by cutting the paint with a putty knife and gripping the stop with sheet metal locking pliers. Once again, he removes the sash weight cords and lets the weights fall to the bottom. Now that the sash are removed, the rest of the work happens back at the shop. Let's go pick it up there. So here we are at the OpenSash shop in Montpelier. Let's go see how they're going to improve these double hung windows for increased efficiency and easier operation.